So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Trafficker, right? We're trying to keep it clean because we streaming on Twitch too. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, all right. So I know Twitch be a little funny, so we're gonna see. Please don't kick me off, man, because this video is a little. But anyways, Trafficker realizes he just lost $385,000. That's a lot. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about here, man.
But what started as an ordinary traffic stop ends in a major drug bust.
And tonight we're getting our first look at the body-worn camera footage that shows how Cranston police officers found a secret compartment filled with cocaine.
I wanted you to pull on the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's all right. We're here now. It's all set.
Okay.
It's all set.
Sorry about
Just get away your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about
You got your registration insurance?
Yes.
All right, just hop out, guys.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, let's talk to you. I'll tell you about it. Any weapons on you?
No weapons. I'm going to get a oil change at Firestone. Literally right down the road. And I got 2 nails in the tire, so right after that, I'm trying to get that situated.
Hey, where are you coming from now?
School. I go to Providence College.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You see? What do you study there?
Finance.
Finance?
I went to Roger Williams, did 1 year criminal justice, transfer there.
Right on. Cool, man. What do you do for work?
Right now, I'm a bus driver. I'm a bus monitor.
Yeah.
I want to become a bus driver. My mom's a bus driver. She's trying to get me at that. And I'm a lifeguard on weekends.
How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active, though?
Yeah, everything's active.
No warrants or anything
No.
like that? You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
So you're not on probation, bail, parole,
Nothing.
like that? Have you had any recent tickets or anything?
I probably got a speeding ticket about a couple months ago.
Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large amounts of U.S. currency?
It's probably like $1,000 in the car.
$1,000? Okay. Fentanyl? Marijuana? Large amounts of marijuana?
I mean, I smoke marijuana, but
Yeah, no big deal.
No.
No large amounts of marijuana in the car? Okay. No unprescribed medications?
no.
What's in the, is it that all medical marijuana in the trash bag?
Yeah.
In the back?
But there's probably like,
Are they empty or full?
well, a lot of the boxes are empty, but there's like,
There's like 1,000 of them in there.
no.
Trash bag's full, so no big deal.
Not 1,000.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot. It's full, so.
I like smoke a lot. I'm a smoker.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
Okay.
I don't do nothing else.
Yeah, I got you. Anything legal on you?
Man, they about to search your car. Buckle up, man. All that sounded good. Yeah, I go to school. I'm studying finance. I was doing a little criminal justice. Boom, I work. I'm trying to be a bus driver. Yada, yada, yada. Yeah. You just messed that up, buddy.
You want to check you down? Yeah. All right. Just put your hands in the car if you want. Right hand. There you go. So you never been in trouble?
Never been to
Have a seat in my car. You're not under arrest, okay?
All right.
Just being detained for now, okay? All right, listen, I've been doing this a long time, all right? All I look for is drugs and guns. So if you're forthcoming with me, I'm going to be cool with you. I'm just telling you my I'm telling you my side, all right?
I understand.
So obviously I have a job to do, all right? And I'm good at my job, all right? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
All right? So this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, I honestly don't care about small amounts of any drugs.
I'm going to be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah.
Not that much.
What's a little bit?
Probably like literally 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
It's just in boxes, so it looks a lot.
Yeah, I got you. All right, just hang tight for me.
And I have my cell phone in there, but
Yeah, how many phones you got? So
there's probably like
5 of them.
but a lot of those are not even like on.
don't function?
And, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A lot of them aren't.
All right, just hang tight for me. Appreciate it. Did you just leave the dispensary? Is that why it's all in the car, or what's the story?
Well, honestly, I smoke a lot of freaking weed, bro. A lot of freaking weed.
Okay.
So I like to keep a lot on me. Well, not a lot. I don't really consider that a lot.
Do you sell it or what?
I wouldn't say I sell it. Like my brothers.
Hook your boys up, whatever.
My brother smokes a lot of weed. I have a lot of siblings.
Okay.
So my brothers need I'll give them weed and stuff like that, but I wouldn't call myself like that.
And you got it in a white trash bag? Like, come on, bruh. You got it in a white trash bag, man. They could easily see through that.
Good?
Talk to me.
For what?
It's behind the cup holder.
Behind a couple of them.
The back seat.
I don't know what you're talking about, boss.
Damn, he good at his job. I ain't gonna lie.
Freaking kilo, dude. Oh my god. Holy shit.
You're right. We're good?
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Absolutely. 10-4.
Just hang on, wait for another officer, okay? Just kind of witness it, okay?
What's going on?
Just found some stuff in the car that we gotta talk about. Okay?
Some stuff.
Yep. So just hang tight for me.
He kept coming back.
Look right here. I got it. Look this way and then over. Look, it's all cut out. It's not normal.
You said what?
See it? There's two over here too. It's a kilo.
Step one.
Right? Grab sir, can you grab me my phone? I do understand.
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you want to talk to me?
I don't know what's going on.
I found some packages in the rear quarter of your vehicle that are indicative of heavy amount of narcotics.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay. So you don't know if this car's loaded with a bunch of kilos?
I don't know nothing about
Because
it.
it's loaded with a bunch of kilos.
I really don't know nothing.
Okay. Nah, he's not talking to me. Yes, I just want to get one quick.
She's his girlfriend?
I don't know. She pulled up. I got Yeah, can you hold that like that?
I got it.
Listen, the cop said earlier, he said, listen, I'm good at my job. And he spotted that. The fake cup holder and found the bust. He said, what is that? A kid? What? Hey, that cop good, boy. He good, man. He good. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even lie. That cop good at his job. He caught that. I ain't gonna lie.
We'll just leave him in there. Well, actually, you already got a picture of him? Want to get another phone?
Yeah, I got some. We just need to
My hands are small.
Yeah, not because it's getting in the way.
Right there. Give me one good pull back now.
Oh, baby.
One more hanging.
Yeah. All right, I got it. All right, what's your hand? All right, move that. Look out. Move that. Oh, yeah.
they gonna have a pizza party for that boy when he get back.
I think I just broke your multi-tool. I don't care. It's worth it. Yeah. Yeah. Just leave them all right here for now.
You can sit that.
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
5-4.
Holy shit. They coming. Keep coming, baby.
He just earned a promotion, boy. That boy ain't gonna be no street cop no more, boy. We gonna start calling him Sarge or something, detective, something. What? You get a bust like this in your career? Promotion. This is promotion worthy, boy. He gonna walk back in the station. They all gonna be like, round of applause. Yeah, that's the bus.
Keep coming. Holy fuck.
Hang on. Can I see your flashlight, bro? Please.
Call who? All right, this whole fender's got it. Cause this whole fender's loaded.
Yeah, you gotta clean it off.
This whole fender's loaded, I think.
We're calling narcotics.
Hold on, let me do my thing before we get the valve, please. All right, Jan, go on your back. You're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, losing a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me, and that's how handcuffs fit. Yeah, fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you.
It's all back there.
Peter King, 477. 10-4.
9. This gotta be 10, right? It's gotta be.
Yeah, let's just put that.
Oh, this has to stay right there. That's the money shot. That's the money shot. That's everything I've worked for.
In total, police seized an estimated $385,000 worth of drugs during the traffic stop, including 11 kilos of cocaine, 11 pressed fentanyl pills, and a garbage bag full of marijuana-infused edibles. In a city environment, to seize 11 kilos at a traffic stop, it's highly unusual, Cranston Police Department Colonel Michael Winquist said. Providence College confirmed Lopez as a student and said in a statement, "The news of this incident was both surprising and disappointing. We are gathering all necessary information to determine next steps in accordance with our student conduct policy." He was charged with possession of cocaine over 1 kilogram, with intent to deliver, 2 counts of possession of Schedule II narcotics under 10 grams, and possession of marijuana, with intent to deliver. He was held without bail, with a status conference scheduled for April 3rd, 2025.
Golly, that was the bust of the century right there for that cop, man. That was the bust of the century for that cop, bro. I'm telling you, he walked in and all the officers stood up. Round of applause. That was insane. Insane, bruh.